Fairoaks 41, the PA28 on the climb out is remaining in the left-hand circuit. Take off at your discretion with a right-hand turn. The instant wind calm.
Taking off with a right turn out, Fairoaks 041. Thank you.
Good.
Okay, approach is clear. Pitot heat we don't need. Transponder set to alt.
Good.
Try and use up as much runway as possible.
Lovely. Is this on? If you're moving back on that you want to, is it already set?
Yeah, that's
it's already set. Alright,
second.
okay.
Thanks very much, Harry.
That's alright.
Okay, everything ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Information, Fairoaks 021 outbound.
Fairoaks 021, Fairoaks information, fast.
I haven't been using this VRP much, so
Okay.
I think it's there, that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's alright, which is the eastern part of Guildford anyway, yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
brilliant. So now I need to get ready to write down the time, so the actual time is probably going to be, I just rounded it down, yeah, it's 4:50. Okay, new heading is going to be 205. Now's a good time to line the DI halfway between. Okay.
From Tango, you're clearing my area now to the west. There are two contacts. First one, 12 o'clock, 6 miles manoeuvring, indicates 600 feet above. And the second one is in your 2 o'clock, again about 5 miles manoeuvring, indicating 400 feet above. Looking out for traffic and thanks for the service, we'll change to Rise on 124.275. Got from your Tango, welcome, radar service terminates, all conspicuity, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Farnborough Radar, good afternoon. Fairoaks 041, Airspace Service.
041, Farnborough Radar, good afternoon, pass message.
Fairoaks 041 is a Cessna 152, Fairoaks to Goodwood. Just 1,950 feet above southeast of Guildford. Airspace Service, QNH 1025, 2 people on board.
Fairoaks 041, thank you. Squawk 0431, basic service, QNH is 1024.
Squawk 0431, QNH is 1024, Fairoaks 041. That was a bit of a ridiculous call, 1,950 feet. I'm surprised he didn't burst out laughing.
Oh, he probably did afterwards. That's alright. In a strange way, it's better to be precise, to double check your system anyway.
Okay, runway set, nothing joining.
Golf Kilo Alpha's one on side or now hold position.
Holding Golf Kilo Alpha.
Fairoaks 041, runway 14, land at your discretion. Viewed wind 170 degrees 05.
Landing Fairoaks 041. Because it's soft, it'll be wonderful for that.
Okay.
Feels like we're far, so far away. And face to face with life we've stolen. I will remember every touch. There's nothing to compare to this.
Golf Whiskey, crosswind 14.
Golf Whiskey, roger the other circuit traffic, just landing, report downwind.
Report downwind, Golf Whiskey.
Golf Kilo Alpha, the runway is occupied, that one will be to depart, so runway 14, report lining up and hold.
Report lining up 14, Golf Kilo Alpha. Goodwood information, Golf November X-ray Oscar Echo.
So these are coloured bollards,
from the marina.
Before the call.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay, just stand by, I'll come back to you very
we can now
shortly.
vacate anyway.
Fairoaks 041, welcome to Goodwood and vacate left.
Thank you, vacating left, Fairoaks 041. So I'll take it just before the bollards because I need to slow down.
Yep, cool. Yeah, anyway, in between the white markers, you can just turn left and vacate off.
Oh, I didn't realise that, okay.
It's right, I didn't mention that to you.
It's alright.
Good. So let's turn left and just go towards the red aircraft.
Kilo Alpha, runway 14, take off the
No, because it's closer to the taxiway anyway, so.
170
Okay, so park
Taking on 14, Golf Kilo Alpha.
Yeah.